It's a bit cloudy today, but wash my car with me. Just a disclaimer though, I am not a professional detailer or anything like that. So I'm just your normal average guy in the neighborhood. So I just hand wash my car. I don't have any foam cannons and whatnot. So wash my car with me. Let's go. So we got my car parked here today. That's my baby. Yes, I do have the GT86. So if you do have some tips on how to wash my car, just chuck it down in the comments, because I just wash it regularly and yeah, on a weekly basis. So yeah, wash it with me. Let's go. We're going through the products that I use. So I've got this one as my soap. I use the Wildcat car wash and wax soap. I've got this one from the warehouse, and this is literally the cheapest car soap I could find because I'm broke as fuck. So yeah, let's go. No. So first step in washing my car, I make everything wet. But yeah, I wet my car first. So let's do that. Let's go. Let's go fast. Gara-gara pong animal. Yawa gikin pistig yun. After making everything wet, let's put in the soap. Let's go. So I always work my way from the top and then down to the bottom. So we're done washing everything down, washing the soap all, washing it all off. So we're doing the wheels now. Let's go. That is all done. I brushed the insides of the this bit right here as well. Now since